Well, Singapore's construction demand is projected to be between $27 billion and $32 billion this year. At the high end of the forecast, it's 7% more than last year, and nearly two-thirds will come from public sector projects. Industry players say while the pace is picking up, some hurdles remain and challenges have shifted from manpower issues to logistics and material costs. Rebecca Mateo reports.
Public housing, healthcare developments and transport infrastructure are among public sector projects that will contribute between $16 and $19 billion worth of total construction demand this year. Such projects will push construction output to between $29 and $32 billion. That's up from the earlier $26 billion estimate. This means output is near pre-pandemic levels, an encouraging sign of recovery in the built environment industry.
This indicates that construction works are progressing at a steady pace. The inflow of foreign workers has steadily improved as compared to the period when travel restrictions and tightened entry approvals were in place last year. The current monthly inflow of foreign workers have more than doubled.
On a 3-year estimate, construction demand is set to sustain at $25 to $32 billion. The public sector will again contribute about $14 to $18 billion yearly. One construction company says while these projections are promising, the industry is dealing with other issues like logistics and materials, and these can drive up construction costs by at least 30%.
I think as an ecosystem, I think everybody needs to play their part to make sure that whatever sufferings that we are facing through, I think one party cannot take it. I think everybody has to come in together to get out of this pandemic, be it financial, be it regulatory requirements to ease and the situation to make sure that the pain is minimal.
Another says there's a need to come up with new ways of doing more with less resources, like a new contracting model that aims to reduce time in the tendering processes, costs and resources.
Collaborative contracting methods, which means bring in the builders upfront into a project site to work closely with the consultants that have been appointed by the developers. Either that or the developers could allow the builders to do a design and build solution for them with the project brief given to them. This way, we could do a total cost mitigation with the developer and some cost sharing with the developer should anything pop up.
Authorities are also refreshing the construction industry transformation map. Improving construction practices, processes and working environment are in the pipeline. It will also tackle the challenges of an aging infrastructure and workforce.